Hey there! Welcome to our channel. If you're someone who's looking to start your fitness journey but don't know where to begin, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the best workout tips and tricks that will help you get started on your fitness journey and achieve your goals. Starting a workout routine can be intimidating, especially if you're a beginner. But trust me, with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve amazing results. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, or simply improve your overall health, these tips will help you get there. Start with a warm-up. Before you begin your workout, make sure to warm up properly. This will help you avoid injuries and prepare your body for the exercises ahead. Some great warm-up exercises include jogging in place, jumping jacks, and stretching. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start with small goals and gradually work your way up. This will help you stay motivated and avoid burnout. Incorporate strength training. Strength training is essential for building muscle and improving your overall fitness level. Don't be intimidated by weightlifting. Start with lighter weights and focus on proper form. Mix it up. Variety is the key to staying motivated and avoiding boredom. Mix up your workouts by trying different exercises and activities. This will help you challenge your body in new ways and prevent plateaus. Rest and recovery. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Make sure to give your body enough time to rest and recover. This will help you avoid injuries and improve your performance in the long run. So there you have it. My top workout tips and tricks for beginners. Remember, starting a fitness journey can be tough, but with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve amazing results. Just take it one day at a time. Set realistic goals, and most importantly, have fun. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content.